Past simple. Regular verbs. You use past simple when you speak about the past actions. I cook chocolate cake every day. I cooked chocolate cake yesterday. Cook plus ed cooked. Nick cooked chocolate cake for his mom yesterday. Watch plus ed watched. Anne watched a new cartoon 2 hours ago. For verbs ending with e, we add d. Dance plus d, danced. Mary Poppins danced 1 week ago at my birthday party. For verbs ending with y, we change y into I plus ed. Carry, y into I plus ed, carried. My dad carried a box of toys for me last month. Внимание! Y меняется на I только после согласных. Play, play, plus ed, played. For short verbs, we double the letter. Stop, stop, plus p, plus ed, stopped. The school bus stopped in front of my house. Внимание! Согласная удваивается только, если она стоит после гласной. Wash, wash, plus ed, washed. How to make a question. Where did the school bus stop? When did the school bus stop? How to answer. Did the school bus stop in the park? No, it didn't. Did the school bus stop at 3 o'clock? Yes, it did.
What did you do? What did you do? What did you do yesterday? I played a game. I played a game yesterday. I washed my hands. I washed my hands yesterday. I climbed a tree. I climbed a tree yesterday.